perfect job. I just want to show you something here. So let's see this. I bet you like it. So go save. Oh. Save as PNG. So let's go back to our work. I'm going to show you how to upload your thumbnail. Don't forget. This is our video. Custom create a thumbnail. Okay, good. Other image, drag, or you can drag the image here, or you click there. So desktop, open. You can add something else. I can add something here, like something. Let's put something awesome. I'm showing this. This is why. Okay, good. Now, next, you see a YouTube channel. When you're searching, this is how it's gonna look like. On Facebook, this is how it's gonna look. Twitter, this is how it's gonna look like. Save your thumbnail. Close. Good. Now we have our thumbnail. Save. Don't forget to save, please. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's go to, want to see how it's gonna look like if we open the video. Excuse me. If I go to, make sure you save it again. So you see, this is our thumbnail. This is our thumbnail. You got it. So if you're searching for, let me see, say you want to search visual like it could be, this is ordinary good. Right here. You see our video here. You see, it's showing the thumbnail. So with these, you can attract people to want to click the video. You understand? So that's how you create your thumbnail. So let's see the next thing we're doing. Okay. Or the next thing is I've done this, increasing, how to increase your subscriber and the watch time. You know, Google has require you 4,000 hours of watching your video and 1,000 subscribers. So let me show you how to increase that. Good. In this your video, this is our video. Now you need to understand something very clear. So when you are in this area, you click on this end screen. Got it. What will end screen do for you? Let's close this thing. You can see this box around my video. So end screen, I'll come here, add element, video or playlist. Then click that. Best for viewer. Okay, this will show at the end of my video. So I want to add it to it. So I can add that. I can also come again. Most recent. Okay, I'm gonna save that. Let me save it. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Okay, let me just go. Okay, now I can add the subscriber. Okay, something went wrong. Trying to refresh this way. Let me do that. Good. Good. Can put this here. Let's see. Okay, I think it's getting outside of the box. Good. This thing was not exceed. Was not past this boundary. So I think you get it. Okay. Okay. Can add my channel or subscribe to the things. You can see my logo. You can add it at the back. End of your video. Another thing you can do is add card. These cards will help you to do some stuff. Let me show you what card does. Add card. I can't add card because I don't have any other videos of this one. That one I skipped it. So anyway, I have another video. When I click on add card,